JetBlue bag fees aren't random. One small choice can double your total. JetBlue baggage pricing mostly comes down to your choices, not just your suitcase. The same checked bag can cost more if you wait until the airport instead of adding it earlier. Your fare type also changes what, if anything, is included. So 2 people on the same flight can have different allowances. And fees stack per bag, then stack again if you're overweight or oversize. If you have status or the right card, those fees can drop fast. To actually save money, you have to price bags like a round-trip problem, not a one-way surprise. Start by listing how many bags each traveler will check, because that's what determines how many fees you'll trigger. Then total it for both directions, since paying twice is where costs quietly explode. Next, be honest about overweight and oversize risk. 50 pounds and 62 linear inches are common cutoff points. Finally, compare adding bags at booking versus later, and set a firm baggage budget. The best deal is often choosing the right package, not hunting for a cheaper bag fee. Compare the cost of a bundle that includes bags against paying a la carte, but do it based on your real bag count and number of travelers. Status perks can help, but only if they apply to the people and bags you're bringing. A co-branded card can also shift the math. Sometimes one card benefit beats paying bag fees outright. Watch booking and payment rules, then pick the flexibility level you'll actually use. Card-based baggage perks only work if you follow the fine print exactly. You usually need to book with the eligible card and keep that card account open and in good standing through the trip. Benefits can depend on you being the primary card holder, not just an authorized user. You also want your loyalty number linked correctly so the system recognizes the perk. Then check companion limits. Some benefits cover only a certain number of people or bags. And confirm the flight is actually operated by JetBlue, not just marketed. The easiest way to avoid bag fees is preventing accidental fees at the airport. Measure and weigh at home because 1 pound over can trigger an overweight charge on top of the base fee. Recheck the allowance for each traveler since fare type, status, and cards can differ within the same booking. If any segment is partner operated, baggage rules may change for that leg. Keep loyalty details consistent, save proof of your benefits, and recheck everything after any itinerary change. One overweight or oversized tag can stack on top of your per bag fee, so measure at home before you pay. If you want a card that fits how you actually spend and shows the real dollar impact versus your current card, CreditCardAgent can match you in about 3 minutes. No login and no credit check. The link's in the description.